Welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm back with a productive vlog. I feel like this time of year is so hard to be productive because it's freezing cold outside. Literally, it has been like negative temperatures here in the Midwest. It's just so hard to actually be productive. Personally, I feel like I've just kind of been in like a slump of like laziness the last month. It's just really hard to be productive personally. If you guys are needing some winter motivation to be productive, hopefully this will be helpful. If I see other people being productive, it makes me want to be productive as well. I just thought I would do a whole day of just like being really productive. I just have all of these kind of like random extra things that I need to do, but I don't really have to do. I feel like all those extra things have just been piling up that I now have like a massive list. My goal today is just to kind of get all those kind of extra things checked off, but also I do have some things that I actually need to get done today as well. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you'd like to see more vlogs like this on my channel. I've been trying to kind of plan out content and I'm trying to decide like if I should do more fashion content, more vlog content. So let me know what your favorite type of videos to see on my channel are. Comment below your best productivity tip. Let's just get into the vlog. Just got ready for the day. I can't decide if I should clip my hair back or just leave it. Here's my little outfit for the day. On days where I'm being productive, I just like to pick out like a really basic outfit. Just easy to throw on like a basic tee, my favorite jeans, just something really basic that I know is gonna be really comfortable. I did think this scarf would be really cute. This is from Princess Polly. It's a great kind of winter transition type outfit. It's basic, but it's still cute. I'll link all the outfit details below. Really quickly, I wanted to show you guys my jewelry. I feel like jewelry is the best way to kind of elevate a basic outfit. All of my jewelry is from Ana Luisa. They have the cutest jewelry. If you guys watch my channel often, you would know it's one of my favorite jewelry brands. I feel like I wear one of their jewelry pieces every single day, and I'm actually partnering with Ana Luisa on today's video, so thank you so much to Ana Luisa for sponsoring. I just picked up 2 new pieces, which is these 2 right here. I've been loving mixing silver and gold. I don't really have a lot of silver pieces in my collection. I thought these would be super cute. I love this like silver huggy. For my top piercing, this middle one is both silver and gold. This gold one is also from Ana Luisa. It's one of my favorite earrings. I wear it all the time. I just love all of these and I love how they look stacked. I'm gonna leave a link below in the description box so you guys can check out Ana Luisa. Get up to 25% off your order when you use the link below. If you guys love gold jewelry but you hate when it tarnishes, but you also don't like spending a ton on gold jewelry, then you guys will love Ana Luisa. What I love so much about Ana Luisa is that all their pieces are long lasting, tarnish free, and they start at just $39. The more you buy, the more you save, so you can get a really cute like little earring stack, get multiple pieces, and you'll save more money. I have a pair of earrings that I got like over 4 or 5 years ago. I've worn them so much and they literally look just like they did when I got them. They haven't tarnished at all. Sometimes I'm bad about like wearing them in the shower. My mom has a bunch of Ana Luisa jewelry and it's seriously some of her favorite jewelry as well. She loves Ana Luisa because of the price point and how long it lasts. So it makes a really great gift if you're ever looking for something for like Mother's Day, birthday, Christmas. Ana Luisa also offers fast and free US shipping and exchanges, as well as affordable worldwide shipping. Another thing that's great about Ana Luisa is that their jewelry is crafted with the planet in mind. Their brand is carbon neutral and climate neutral certified. They offset 100% of their carbon footprint. Let's have matching jewelry from Ana Luisa. I'm seriously so obsessed. I know you guys will be too. Like I said, I'm gonna have a link below at the very top of my description so you can shop Ana Luisa and get 25% off your order through my link below. I'll also have that link here on the screen. Definitely check it out. I think you guys would love their jewelry. It's so cute and just a great staple to any outfit. Now that I'm all ready for the day, I'm actually gonna go work at a coffee shop with my friend Kylie. We both do social media full time. It's really nice to hang out with somebody that does the same thing that you do. You can kind of bounce ideas off creatively. We're gonna kind of like catch up and hang out, but also work a little bit too. If you're needing to like enhance your productivity, maybe be productive with somebody else that does the same thing that you you do or something similar. I'm gonna try to actually get some stuff done, just kind of like some admin work, link, stuff like that. So I'm just gonna pack up my little work bag and meet Kylie. I'm so excited. I feel like it's gonna be so fun to just like go and get coffee and hang out. I literally like never leave my house, so I'm actually really excited. I just got done with coffee. It was so much fun. The place we went to was just like really good vibes. It was like a little house. There was actually a lot of seating, I feel like, so there was like little rooms. It was really nice to just like get out of the house and work and actually hang out with somebody. Honestly, just like getting out of the house, working from somewhere different. I really need to go and work at coffee shops more because it was just like really fun. Like being in a different space, I can definitely be more productive. Also, when everyone around you is being productive, it kind of helps you also be more productive. Also, I feel like there's just less distractions, even though in a way there's almost more distractions because there's a bunch of people around you. Also, there's really not anything you can do other than work. Like when I'm at home, there's just like all these different things like laundry and dishes. When you're in a coffee shop and you're working, like there's really not anything you can do other than work. Unless you go with a friend, then you could easily get distracted by like talking. I feel like it was just really fun to just kind of like mix it up a little bit. It is a little bit later. I'm back home. I'm just gonna do a little bit of cleaning and organizing. I did my weekly reset this weekend. My apartment is actually pretty clean. There's just a few things I didn't get to. I love the feeling of a clean, cozy apartment. And right now it's just not feeling clean. I just want to get it all picked up. The next thing I'm gonna do is organize this cabinet. It's really not that bad. I just don't really have enough space for all of my glasses and mugs. I ordered these little shelf things from Amazon to just kind of create some more space, hoping it won't be like too crowded and too cluttered. Feel so productive. I'm just gonna kind of chill and relax. I'm gonna make some dinner, watch some Gilmore Girls. I actually already finished Gilmore Girls. I already want to rewatch it. I think I'm just gonna put on one of the episodes that I really liked or just start it somewhere in the middle. Let's make some dinner and unwind. Just about to go to bed, but I wanted to end this vlog and say thank you so much for watching. I feel like I rarely do a full day in the life like this from morning till night. Let me know if you like this style of video. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did. Comment below your best tip to stay productive in the winter time. Definitely make sure to check out Ana Luisa. I'm gonna have it linked below at the very top of my description. I'm obsessed with their jewelry. It's so cute. It's one of my favorite brands. Thank you so much to Ana Luisa for sponsoring. Comment this emoji if you stayed until the end of the video. I'll see you in a couple days for my next one. Bye.